Welcome back everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the clone trick on Google Meet. So if you're wondering what's clone trick, it's nothing but a fun or a prank that you can play on virtual meeting apps. So in this previous video, I showed you how to do it on Zoom app, but I got a comment from a viewer asking how to do it on Google Meet. So here's a quick video for that. And make sure you watch this video before you jump to this video, because this is not going to be a complete detailed tutorial, because I've already done this video where I showed you how to record the video and how to do it effectively and all that stuff. So make sure you watch these two chapters and then jump to this video when you have the basic recording where you're enacting yourself as a clone. So once you have that, just jump back to this video. And getting started, here I'm on Google Meet, and just to show this as a demo, I'll start a new meeting and go to instant meeting here. So this should start a demo meeting right here, and I should be able to see myself right there. There you go. So that's me, and as I said, I'm ready with the video. If I can show it to you here. So this one, which is Video BG. So this is just a sample video where I'm just enacting and talking to myself there. So this is a video that you have to record, for which just watch the video that I just showed you. So once you're ready with your video, which is this one, just head back to the browser. And before moving on, make sure that you're on Chrome browser, because this trick works only on Chrome browser. Because once you go to more options, this option called as change background is available only on Chrome browser. I tried it on Safari and it was not available. So clicking on change background here, these are different backgrounds that Google provides, but what we are looking for is this plus button here. And once you click on the plus button, by default, you will be only able to select images, which is PNG and JPG format. But the trick here is just go to the options menu here, and then you can change the format. So just choose all files. I think this will be the same in Windows also. You have something called as all file types or something. So at the same location, you'll be able to find that option too. So just click on that, and then you should be able to choose any type of file here. So in my case, the one that I recorded, which is Video BG, I'm just going to select that. And that's it, guys. I have the video in the background running, and I can just close this. And there you go. My clone is right on the right side. That's how you do it on Google Meet. I hope you found this fun and interesting. Yeah, this guy will keep coming. As far as the video is running, it just keeps looping.
And as always, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.